Research says 89% of Gen Zers are using video platforms once a week. Transforming your written communication to video is key to reaching them. While we know Gen Z will make up the majority of the workforce by 2030, many internal communicators are acting now to keep up with the generational trends. Today, we're giving you 4 easy tips to make high-quality video on a $0 budget that will reach your entire workforce. Number 1. All you need is this. There's no reason to buy a fancy camera or spend thousands of dollars. You can shoot really high quality video that looks amazing from your phone itself. Number 2. Most laptops these days come preloaded with video editing software, and they're all really easy to use. So there's no reason to spend a whole lot of money when you already have the tools at your fingertips. Number 3. Set the scene. For a really high quality feel, you want to stand in front of a solid color background and face a lighting source. Natural lighting is actually the best. So if you have an office with a bunch of windows, set your scene up there and you'll be really happy with the results. Number 4, you've created your content, now it's time to share it. Unlisted YouTube videos on your company's YouTube channel is a really easy way to upload content, store it, and share it without it being searchable or findable. If you'd like to maximize viewership, we recommend using an employee app like Staffbase. That way, you can ensure that every single employee at your organization sees your awesome content in one click.